convoluted. It's an adjective and it means hard to understand. Our textbooks are very convoluted. We have to read them a couple of times until we understand them. Convoluted comes from the Latin word convolutus, which means mixed up together. If we don't explain the lesson precisely to you, it's going to get convoluted. Defunct. Defunct is an adjective which means no longer in use or out of order. As you can see, a defunct railroad. Frank tried to fix his defunct car, but it was impossible. A car company that no longer produces cars is the defunct company. Defunct means no longer in use or out of order. It comes from the Latin word defunctus, which means dead. The law of forbidding marijuana is defunct in Amsterdam today. Marijuana is legal in Amsterdam. So defunct means dead. Next word is hinder. Hinder is a verb which means to slow the progress of something. The police tried to hinder the stolen car by putting barricades on the road. Hinder. Slow the progress of something. I have a lot of business ideas in my mind, but the lack of money is hindering me to realize them. Intrepid. Intrepid means brave, not afraid, or fearless. Students were intrepid about the test because they had studied so hard this season. So they didn't care. They knew all the questions. They were intrepid. They were intrepid when they entered it. Intrepid comes from the Latin word intrepidus, which is a mixed word from in, which means not, and trepidus, which means alarmed. So not alarmed, not afraid. Dave is an intrepid performer. He has taken pictures with his head inside the jaws of a crocodile. Of course, he is intrepid. He is not afraid. Fickle. Fickle is an adjective which means someone or something who changes its condition or mind frequently. Like you can see the picture, the weather, it turned from sunny to rainy within a few hours. So that's a fickle weather. Fickle. It changes its condition frequently. British weather is very fickle. It can be sunny in the morning and rainy in the afternoon. Fickle. Changes its mind frequently. He is so fickle. Last week he didn't want to talk to me. Now he is asking me to go out. Obscure. Obscure is an adjective and it means not clearly expressed or understood. Or as a verb, not clearly express. Obscure. When you drive in rain, the view in the windows becomes obscure. Criminals paid someone to obscure the scenes of the video so they can get away with it. So they obscured the scenes. They blurred the scenes so they will not clearly express what really happened there. Obscure.